University to be founded in South Suburb. So since we are admitted into the year of 2024, where you might want to check, there are Samsung Global Scholarships.
Here are the required documents and change to the immigration office within 15 days of your change. So if you click on them, you can easily thank you.
We have some in the minor level. We also have some in micro level.
I've heard that you'll be receiving this at lunchtime. So when you get our leaflet,
To use multi-major programs and also meet with alumni with multi-major experiences.
Know when you're doing it. And I know that there could be troubles, and if you need professional
So if you
help,
have a severe problem, please contact with the coordinator, which is currently me, and it will be Ms. Kwon starting from March. We will do our best with the resources given.
If I take up the classes, some of my friends told me that I really want to be your channel while you're in the state of Korea 112. For your information, in case of.
Today. It was not that long ago that I was sitting where you guys are right now, and I introduced CISA, its purpose, and our goals. So SNU International Students this semester, we always have our end of the semester party. This past year, we had
library. As you can see, you can see that the main library.
Okay, so this is building number 58. College of Business Administration uses
The chemical and biological engineering or